What's up, everybody? It's Tony's View. I was looking for my content creation speaker that I got. I can't find it. I'm in a rush, so I'm using this. So it looks ugly, you know. What can you do, buddy? Can't do everything all the time, right? What I can do is show you guys something cool. All right, Betty, come on. Look what I got here, guys. This is my newest addition to my family. I got a little bearded. Hi, bearded dragon. Hi. It's my new little bearded dragon. All right. As you guys can see, I moved the geckos, right? I gotta do this quick, guys. So sorry if you guys can't see, but this is gonna be for my bearded dragon right here. I'm gonna put it in right now. You see? There we go. There we go. All right. So my crested geckos are here now. You see? They're right there, some of them. They're around. There's 3 of them in there. Alright, so I left them food before I went to work. There he is. It's a good thing I have, tanks and all that, guys, because, my gosh, if I didn't, it would be bad. Alright, so there it is, guys. It's my bearded. I'm gonna leave her alone, let her get to know her new establishment. And right here's the other one, the crested gecko. And, I got a lot of things to show you guys, actually, But, it's kind of hard when you record by yourself, And I got a bag of stuff over here, you see? Look, I got worms. I got like a lot of shit in here, And I try to do it. You see this section? This section is a mess. I'm working over here. You can't do everything with work and everything, But hopefully when YouTube goes good, I can do all that, right? So I wanted to show you me putting the little fishes in the pond. But I gotta go wash the net, go put some water. It's annoying. I wish I had all that ready, but I forgot about the fish. Yeah, Tony's View tries, man. I'm telling you, Tony's View tries. Tony's View is not easy being Tony's View. With all the animals I got now, what? Are you crazy, son? I try though, bro. I try, believe me. All I want to do is bring you guys good content, I want you guys to stay subscribed to me. Look at a beautiful lady right here in my hallway. Okay, back in the reptile room. Not the reptile room. It's not even a reptile room. It's a studio, son. It's Tony's View studio. What you thinking? Huh? So see this? I need to make space, you see? I didn't know I was going to use all this stuff. Well, if I had an assistant, when I get big in YouTube, I'm going to have an assistant to do this shit for me, you feel me? But right now, I got to do it like this, you see? I got to put the phone down and shit. It's annoying, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Look at this. So this is what's going in here. Let's start. I don't like these nets. They make the fish get stuck, huh? It's already a dead one. See? Another one. Are they swimming around? Do you guys see them? They're very small. I got some rosies. What else did I get? Another rosie. I'm sorry, guys, I didn't bring you no light, but hold up. Like I said, I got one hand, you know, and I'm trying to still bring you guys content, you know? You gotta have patience for this. People think that this shit is easy. It's not easy. That's why I'm trying to, like, you know, not work and work, you know, doing my own shit. I don't want to fucking rush for nobody. Feel me? Rush for myself. Rush on my way to come see you, you know? Come on. Okay. A lot of fishes didn't make it. I had this in my job. You guys understand. You know, I gotta fucking go over there to the store and then come here. And it's a bitch sometimes, bro. Alright, guys. Some didn't make it, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna try to get them now. The ones that are, you know, not alive. It's a few of them. I see one. There's one there. You guys can see it's floating. That's done. So let me get it out of there before it starts leaving bacteria and shit. You don't want that. Come on, stupid. This other mother flower's gonna go in there too like an idiot. How's it looking, guys? That's another one that's dead? Yeah, bro. This is what's annoying about these fishes over here. Come on now. If you're dead, you gotta go. You don't want no dead fish in here. Alright. So, guys, how's it looking? Do you guys see any more dead fishes in there? Hopefully not. I'm gonna try to feed them now. Let's see, I don't even have that in hand. It's annoying, bro. It's because I'm rushing. I gotta get to the other job, you know? It's annoying, bro. Here you go, here you go. I'm gonna throw some food in there now. Let's see they eat. Let's see if she start eating. So it's gonna be for the snapping turtles, the alligator snapping turtles enclosure right here. Alright, guys, I'm sorry if I had to rush. Like I said, I got things to do. I still gotta work tonight. I will see you. Have a good one. Tony's View.